If you're looking for Leatherman bags, wallets and luggage, here's a collection you've got to see. Amazon India 2017 bestsellers. Leatherman bags, wallets and luggage collection. Number 1, bestseller, by Leatherman. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Leatherman. Number 3, by Leatherman. For more info about these great Leatherman bags, just click the circle. Number 4, by Leatherman. Number 5, also by Leatherman. Find these Leatherman bags, wallets and luggage at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6. Number 7. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Leatherman. Number 9, by Leatherman. Discover more Leatherman bags, wallets and luggage ideas and items to explore. Click the description below. Number 10, by Leatherman.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.